Alright guys, welcome in today. We are doing a Godzilla themed picture. My son's gonna help us.
Hi! Today we're gonna do Godzilla, which is we're not gonna do regular Godzilla that would be boring. We're gonna do flame.
There's all sorts of these different Godzillas. These are some of our favorite ones that he has of his characters. So we're gonna do it. He's gonna help me.
Okay, so how do you think we should start our Godzilla?
What shape or what part? I'm gonna move your Godzilla so he doesn't attack your little pets.
Mouth. And then I do these muzzles for the nose.
Oh, is that the little nose parts? Okay, can you stop? So I can try to do that.
Kind of like a little ramp.
Yeah, like a roller coaster.
Oh, like a roller coaster. And those are his little nostrils.
How it goes down, like a roller coaster.
Okay, and then you colored them in.
Because they're black. See, they're black.
Oh yeah. Okay. What next?
Then I put down mine, and then I go like this, and then I put a little stripe with lines.
Oh, cool. It's kind of cool. Okay, so this line comes down and then curves out.
Wow, you're trying your best.
Wow,
you're trying your best.
Back.
Over. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then it's got a dash with two little lines.
Yours is kind of good.
Okay.
Then oh, he has fangs, so fangs, and then I'll show you how to do a second row of teeth.
Ooh.
This is how to make a second row of teeth. Put another one.
Oh, like right behind it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see his teeth sticking out. I'm going to start some teeth.
That's why I'm going to call second row of teeth. See, he's got some in here.
He does. All right, I'm going to finish my teeth and then we'll show off.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, your teeth are better than mine.
Okay, let's show his teeth so we can see.
Roar! I think
I think Kong would be pretty scared of him right now. Okay, yeah. What's next?
Then what we're gonna do for the eyes, I'll show you.
Ooh, that's kind of cool. It kind of looks like a football up here.
Yours is kind of good.
Thanks, bud. And then two little lines.
Mhm.
Okay.
And then, okay, so here. Yep, and then we color this one in.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I see.
Because I see on the here size.
So we got kind of a stripe and another stripe, but then color that front one in.
Better. Your eye is better.
Oh, thanks, bud.
And then we'll start with the head, and then put ears. He's got pointy ears.
He does have kind of pointy ears.
Color that ear in. Don't color the whole ear. Just color like a circle, like an ear, like that's like we do.
Okay.
You know. Oh, good.
Okay, what next?
And then we go down, and then we'll go another down.
Okay, stop. Down, and then another down.
Like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
That's kind of the scary part. And then what we'll do is the arms.
They got little arms, right?
Okay.
Spikes. Okay, so kind of like a curvy line.
Mm-hmm.
And it goes down. Curvy line kind of.
Remember our elbows. He has an elbow.
Yeah, he does. Oh yeah, the little bend in it.
Mm-hmm. Wow, you draw really good at elbows.
Thank you, bud. I love your compliments. It always makes me feel better.
I think some
drawings.
of your art videos I can't do since some of them are kind of hard.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And
So far, so good.
And then we'll do like spikes wherever you want. Like whatever you want.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, he does have some little spikes in there.
You can just draw the spikes wherever you want. I don't care.
Okay, cool.
then we'll do the tail.
That's a cool tail.
Oh yeah. So then we go back. Plain tail isn't really working out.
That's okay. Okay, it's up. Out.
It's kind of hard if you do flames on there.
That's okay. We're just trying our best, right? Oh yeah. Feet.
here's what I would do. I would put a big circle, then I would put some in. Then I would put it down low. And then what we're gonna do is draw another one.
Oh, like his little arm?
Mm-hmm.
And a bumpy line.
Yours is kind of good.
Thanks, bud.
But you made yours bigger, and I like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the size of this.
Okay.
And then next, I'm gonna do tiny spikes to a big spikes.
Oh yeah, he does. Tiny spikes. Big spikes.
And then what we're gonna do is different. See, we gotta do these
Oh
ones.
yeah. Do some zigzaggy stripe, bumpy zigzag lines all the way down. Yeah, he even has some on his tail.
Some feet on the bottom of him.
Yeah, I just did my downer.
Yeah.
Who would win, Burning Godzilla or Shin Godzilla?
So this one kind of goes down. And then let's give him another foot over here so he kind of tighten.
Oh, and what you gotta do, you gotta do the same and then put the strike. Like put a strike, like it's a line.
Oh, for his like toes.
Yeah, and then what you're gonna do is put a U. Like
You can do it.
like a U here.
Oh, okay, for like his other foot.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
There.
Yeah, kind of looks
Are,
like that.
are you ready to sharpen it?
Yeah, I like that. That looks kind of cool.
Here's your Sharpie coming up.
All right, you guys ready to see them? 3, 2, 1.
Bam!
Bam! There they all are. I like how they turned out. I like that we just had some fun with it, just trying to fill up the background and having our own type of Godzilla. Because there's so many type of different Godzillas. You make whatever type of Godzilla you guys want. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. My name is Connor, and I'm Mr. Shooty's son. And we will talk to you guys
Later.
later.
Peace out.
Peace out.
That was kind of fun.